Hello students, how are you? By the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. The reversal dates projected for the year 2023 worked very well. Out of 7 predicted dates, 5 worked as a rock. Last 2 dates, December 11th and 28th. From December 11th to December 28th, most of the equity market, especially Nifty, tanked heavily. And from 28th of December, zoom, rocket sharply. And the surprising fact of these dates is that the value of the Nifty on the beginning point, which is December 1st, 2022, and the last date, December 28th, 2023, were the same. The value on the first beginning date and the end date, the value of Nifty is the same. And from 28th, market moved up like anything, sharply. Now what about 2024? The guess for 2024 is most of the markets may remain very, very volatile. There are the many logics to this assumption. The first one is the US presidential elections. 2. Indian central government elections. The favorable macro factors, elevated valuations and favorable economic growth, the pace of transition away from crude oil, green energy, how fast artificial intelligence could ultimately automate viral diseases and medicine or cure of it, whether global warming and the wars, increase in speed or spreading in some other countries, or controlling the war that is also going to impact to the economy. Let's see how things shape up at last. Wish you a great last month of the year and the year 2024. We got auto sales number compared to last year November 2022. Maruti, there was an increase in sales by 3.39%. Tata Motors, the fall of 1.73%. Mahindra and Mahindra, 21% increase in sales. Ashok Leyland, 4.56% lesser. 2 and 3-wheeler companies, Bajaj Auto, there was increase of 31.39%. TVS Motor, increase of 31.43%. Eicher Motors, there was an increase of 13.4%. Maruti's volume almost equals to the combined volume of Hyundai, Tata and the Mahindras. Overall, it's a remarkable month. Few news: Indian electricity usage increased by 8.5% year-on-year basis. Government-run companies' petrol sales rose by 7.5% in the month of November 2023. The Indian government has reduced windfall gain tax on crude oil to 5,000 per ton from 6,300 per ton.